Welcome to the fourth and final lecture in our Airport Operations module. In this lesson, we'll be discussing towered and untowered airports. Quick rule of thumb, on a sectional chart, we can determine towered versus untowered by the color of the airport icon. If the icon is blue, the airport has an operating control tower. If it's magenta, the airport does not have a control tower. Pretty simple. So let's talk about towered airports first. Air traffic control, or ATC, are the people in the towers responsible for providing the efficient and safe flow of air traffic at larger/busier airports across the country. Pilots of manned aircraft operating in a towered airspace are required to maintain two-way radio communication with air traffic control and to acknowledge and comply with their instructions. Now, if a pilot cannot comply with the instructions issued, they must advise air traffic control immediately and request amended instructions. As is true in all emergencies, a pilot may deviate from air traffic control instructions, but should advise air traffic control as soon as possible. Just like the name suggests, non-towered airports do not have an operating control tower. Surprisingly, the majority of U.S. airports are non-towered, roughly 20,000 of them across the country, whereas there are only about 500 towered airports in the national airspace system. Though not required, radio communication is recommended for manned aircraft pilots to self-announce their intentions on the specified airport's frequency for the safety and benefit of other traffic and themselves in the area. When it comes to communication with an airport without an operating control tower, you just need to find the correct common radio frequency. Our common radio communication procedures lesson will cover this in more detail, but some remote pilots like to carry a VHF radio to be able to listen and gain stronger situational awareness of manned aircraft operations in the area. Okay, that concludes our lecture on airport operations. After you complete the quiz below and you're ready, I'll see you in the next module. Keep up the good work.